All right, so I got the 50-50 red cap. Pretty much gotta fill that bad boy up. This thing about to take a gallon and some change. So let's put this damn shit in here, bruh. All right, so this thing gotta have a leak. I'm telling you, but I don't see where it's coming from. Like, you got your upper hose. Let me see. No, that's not the upper hose. This is like it goes to the turbo. Yeah, this. Matter of fact, where is the upper hose? Bro, I don't know, but this motherfucker need to get looked at, bro, because this shit is about to cause me a headache and I ain't ready for it. But this is Texas, y'all. This is Texas. Like, it's near El Paso. El Paso! Hey, amigo. Yeah, but this shit ain't funny, though. This shit is not funny, bro. Make sure you have your tools and stuff. Gotta have your tools, because you never know when you gonna need that shit. And when you need it, you're fucked, because you don't got nothing or you gotta spend money. But you never know, you might break down on the side of the highway. So have what you need, because you might need it. For real.